Hey, welcome back. Here is a list of top features of iOS 14, and in iOS 14, Apple is going to mainly focus on removing bugs and making a smooth experience in iOS 14. Now, first of all, talking about the home screen in iOS 14, on the Apple Watch, Apple allows all the installed apps to be viewed in a list, and a similar feature could come into iOS 14. And this list will allow users to see all the apps installed on the iPhone. Users will allegedly be able to set viewing filters to see app categories like recently used apps or apps with unread notifications. Now, moving to the iMessage, there are so many new features coming to the iMessage app. First of all, you can tag a person in a busy chat and the person will get push notification and the whole chat will be on mute. Apple is also working on a feature that would retract messages after sending them, and typing indicators in a group chat could be included so you can see who is typing in a multiple person chat. Now, moving to the next thing, in iOS 14 you will get a new augmented reality app. Apple appears to be planning to introduce a new augmented reality app in iOS 14 which is codenamed Gobi. This app is said to allow users to get more information about the world around them through AR. Now, the next feature is setting third-party apps as default. Starting in iOS 14, Apple may allow iPhone and iPad users to set third-party mail, browser and music app as their default instead of Apple's own apps. This change would allow apps like Google Chrome and Gmail to set as the default app on iOS devices, so tapping on a link or email address will not open in Apple's own app. And according to me, this is a good thing. Finally, Apple is listening to its users. Now, another big update is coming into the Safari app. In Safari app, you will get a built-in translation feature that would let users translate web pages without using the third-party apps or services. Translation options will be available for each website that's visited, but an automatic translation feature will be able to enable as well. Now, the next feature is Car Key app. Hint of new Car Key API were found in iOS 13.4, which would allow the iPhone to be used to lock, unlock and start a car that has NFC capabilities. Car Key will allow iPhone owners to use their devices in a lieu of a physical car key. BMW could possibly be one of the first partners based on code and images found in iOS 14. Now, the next feature which is coming to the iOS 14 is the third-party wallpaper packs. Apple may be planning to introduce support for third-party wallpaper pack in iOS 14, which would allow developers to create wallpapers options for the iPhone that would be able to install through the wallpaper section of the setting app. There will be some HomeKit features: night shift for lights, ability to automatically adjust light colors, temperature throughout the day, face recognition for HomeKit, secure video notification based on who is recognized, new permanent audio output option for Apple TV. Now, moving to the Apple Maps. Apple Maps may provide additional information for selected businesses in iOS 14, such as specific Genius Bar services offered by Apple Store, movie theaters with IMAX. In iOS 14, Find My app will get a new notification feature that will provide alerts when someone doesn't arrive at the specific location at a scheduled time of a day. So a parent can do something like set up an alarm for when a child arrives at a school at a certain time. If the child doesn't make it to school by the deadline, an alert would be sent. So these features were some of the most highlighted features in iOS 14, and according to Ben Jeskin, he shared his wish list for iOS 14. His wish list for iOS 13 was accurate and most of the features were present in iOS 13. And his iOS 14 wishlist includes new call interface, always on display, lock screen complications, smarter Siri, split view, picture-in-picture performance and stability. So guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.